हाय फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय स्टडी एजुकेशन यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी को मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। आज हम रेलवे एनटीपीसी टफ 30 जीके जीएस एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर के बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1, एरोप्लेन इज टू कॉकपिट प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ ट्रेन इज टू व्हाट? आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, इंजन। Number 2, amnesia is to memory proportion of paralysis is to what? Answer is option A, movement. Number 3, meningitis is to brain proportion of cirrhosis is to what? Answer is option C, liver. Number 4, foresight is to anticipation proportion of insomnia is to what? Answer is option C, sleeplessness. Number 5, cattle is to drove proportion of what? Answer is option C, chicken bread. Number 6, druggies is to pharmacy proportion of what? Answer is option D, cheap restaurant. Number 7, fish is to mermaid proportion of what? Answer is option B, horse is to cater. Number 8, yard is to inch as quad is to what? Answer is option B, ounce. Number 9, reptile is to lizard as flower is to what? Answer is option C, daisy. Number 10, elated is to despondent as enervated is to what? Answer is option B, ignorant. Number 11, marathon is to race as hibernation is to what? Answer is option D, sleep. Number 12, embrace is to humiliated as frightened is to what? Answer is option A, terrified. Number 13, glove is to hand proportion of what? Answer is option C, socks is to feet. Number 14, lively is to dull proportion of what? Answer is option A, employed is to jobless. Number 15, India is to New Delhi proportion of Pakistan is to what? Answer is option D, Islamabad. Number 16, traveler is to journey proportion of sailor is to what? Answer is option C, voyage. Number 17, butter is to milk proportion of book is to what? Answer is option D, paper. Number 18, 70 is to 18 proportion of 56 is to what? Answer is C, 22. Number 19, 5.5 is to 30.25 proportion of 11.0 is to what? Answer is option D, 121.00. Number 20, 25 is to 37 proportion of 49 is to what? Answer is option D, 65. Number 21, 763 is to 856 proportion of 637 is to what? Answer is option B, 730. Number 22, 6 is to 222 proportion of 7 is to what? Answer is option C, 350. Number 23, QDXM is to SFYN. Proportion of QIOZ is to what? Answer is option A, WKPA. Number 24. FILM is to ADGH. Proportion of MILK is to what? Answer is option C, HDGF. Number 25. MAD is to GXA. Proportion of RUN is to what? Answer is option A, ORK. Number 26. Dog is to Z. Proportion of cat is to what? Answer is option D, W. Number 27. L into M is to 12 into 13. Proportion of U into W is to what? Answer is option D, 21 into 23. Number 28. Hope is to despair. Proportion of lunatic is to what? Answer is option C, sen. Number 29. Platform is to train. Proportion of what? Answer is option C, quack is to sheep. Number 30. Doctor is related to patient in the same way as lawyer is related to dash. इसका आंसर आप लोग कमेंट में बताइएगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू।